JoeteckTips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land.
Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be talking about that as of January 19th, 2025, TikTok will be banned from the United States of America. Now this is actually good news and bad news. A lot of people have been using TikTok, but it's been taking a lot of the revenue stream from many YouTubers and pointed it towards TikTok. Now TikTok is a Chinese controlled company. So if you are a content creator and rely on TikTok to make money, I'm going to teach you what to do and how to overcome that on YouTube. Let's get started. Step number 1, obviously, start a YouTube channel. You can create a channel over any topic that you like: anime, sports, celebrity gossip, The View, which would be perfect, because you know that's all about garbage. Whoopi Goldberg. You could do about cartoons, you could do anime, you could pretty much do it about pretty much anything that you like. And most of all, topics that are about finance, making money, will do the best on YouTube, because people like to learn about how to spend the money, how to invest their money. Step number 2, identifying competition is important. YouTube is tremendous, and finding your competition, you're going to find probably hundreds and hundreds of different YouTube channels that may be making the same content as yours. However, by you making the better content of the same thing, it's like reinventing the wheel. Everybody can make a wheel, but you got to make your wheel the best, and everybody can understand it. So if you're making a wheel about finance and your wheel is the best about finance, then your channel is going to grow better, bigger than everyone else. Step number 3, create a YouTube team. Find someone that can create really eye-popping thumbnails. You need someone that can edit video really well. You never know, someone might be, dabbling in college about it, and now they seem like they're an expert or can do really good video editing. Or maybe yourself could be the voiceover artist. This is a kind of a, like I said, step number 3 is kind of an option. You do not have to do this. I do not have a team. I do all of this by myself. So I'm a one-man team for this channel. So I don't have the ability to assemble a team and pay each person, because that could be expensive. So step number 3 is based off your financial burden, if you want to do it or not. Step number 4, create your first video. Once you create your first video, use Google Trends to find out if it's going to perform well. By using Google Trends, you can find out what is trending, and based off that first video, based off of those Google Trends. Make sense? It's always a good thing. And model your video based on competition. This is key. So whatever your competition is, make it one step better. Reinvent that wheel and make that wheel better than the other guy, your competition. Step number 5, you must focus on how good the video is doing. Check the content performance. Use hashtags to promote the video on all platforms that you currently have, including TikTok. You want to move your base of people from one platform to the other. So now you have to let these people know that you have another platform you're going to be moving to, and hopefully they'll move to it. If you do not have that capability, then hashtag the crap out of it on all platforms. With TikTok gone, everyone's going to be going towards YouTube like non-stop. So hopefully this video has given you the building blocks on how to create a YouTube channel once TikTok is gone. And be sure to slap that like button so the algorithm can push this video and help others just like you. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
In a world of lights and bits, where tech can make us trip, there's a guru with a knack for every digital tip. Joeteck's the name, he's the one you'll seek. From gadgets to software, he's the one you'll meet. So if your tech's in a tangle, don't you fear. Joeteck's here, let his advice draw near. With his help, you'll surely find in this digital world peace of mind. JoeteckTips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land. With his wisdom and his wit, every tech woe will surely fix it.